I know you think you're just chasing your goals, but more often than not, you're actually following rules that your ancestors made up long before you were even born, and they are still running your life today. So in the next 7 minutes or so, I'll show you the invisible setup keeping you stuck and how to break it so success becomes your path of least resistance. See, science actually has a name for this. It's called epigenetics. And what it shows is that you can inherit trauma, fears, beliefs, and even certain tendencies from up to 7 generations back, which means that your thoughts about money, love, work, relationships, and how the world works in general aren't all yours. They could just be echoes of your great-great-grandparents' survival strategies. Maybe your great-grandfather tried to start a business, lost everything in the Great Depression, and then had to work 2 manual labor jobs just to be able to feed his kids. Can you see how that kind of financial scarcity gets coded into the nervous system? And not just his, but also the children he raised? Now, fast forward 3 generations, and you, the high-performing entrepreneur, you may find yourself slowing down right before your business is about to explode. Because deep down your body remembers and associates taking risk with failure and failure with potential death. Or maybe your grandmother grew up in a place where standing out made you a target. Maybe for gossip, maybe for jealousy, maybe for something even more dangerous. So she taught her kids to keep their heads down, never show off, and blend in with everyone. And now here you are, decades later, with a huge opportunity to become a massive success, and something in you just resists that. You feel like you're not ready, or you need to learn more. Or you tell yourself, oh, it's just not the right time. You need to understand that's not you. That's the code you inherited doing its job to keep you safe, according to rules that were written in a completely different world than you're living in right now. It's not that these programs or instructions are wrong. It's just that they are outdated. And it's not just about money or business either. Maybe you've done well financially, but let's say your love life doesn't quite reflect that freedom and joy you built elsewhere. You might have inherited relationship patterns from generations who saw love as obligation, not passion. Or where women had to sacrifice their dreams to keep a marriage. Or men had to work themselves to the bone to provide instead of actually connecting. You can be a millionaire and still be following these old blueprints without realizing it. There's actually a famous study that captures it perfectly. Scientists put 5 monkeys in a room. Now in the center of a room there was a ladder, and at the top of a ladder they placed a banana. Every time they tried to climb the ladder, the scientists sprayed all of them with cold water. So it didn't take long before the monkeys stopped trying. Then the scientists replaced one of the monkeys with a brand new one who didn't know anything about this setup. The new monkey, of course, saw the banana and started to climb. Now all the others, remembering what happened before, grabbed him, pulled him down, and beat him up to avoid getting showered. A little time passed by, and one by one the scientists kept swapping out the monkeys. And here's where it gets crazy. Eventually, none of the original monkeys that had ever been sprayed remained in the room, but the behavior continued. Every time a newcomer went for the banana, the group attacked him. This time not because anyone feared the cold water. Remember, they had never even experienced it. Simply because, well, that's just not what we do here. We just don't go for bananas here. It's just not part of the culture. So how does this apply to you, you might ask? Well, think about it. Maybe you don't go for your dream house overlooking the ocean. You don't even try restructuring your business to only work 2 days a week. Or you don't create the relationship you actually want. Not because you couldn't, but because somewhere in your lineage, in your family tree, people decided, we just don't do that here. And you're still following it, thinking it's you making the choice. Let me quickly tell you about another experiment that shows just how deep this goes. Scientists put a bunch of fleas in a jar and then closed the lid. Now, fleas can jump incredible heights, right? But every time they tried to jump out, they hit the lid and bounced back down. So eventually, they stopped trying to jump higher than the lid. Then the scientists took the lid off, so the fleas were free to jump out this time. But they didn't. They learned the limit. And not only that, and here's the crazy part, when those fleas had offspring, the new generation never jumped any higher than that old invisible lid either. They had inherited the limit without ever hitting it themselves. And this is exactly how inherited code works in humans. You could be soaring higher than you are now. You have the ability, the resources, the skills, opportunities your parents never had. But you've been trained, consciously or unconsciously, to operate within safe heights, to fly under the radar, to not be loud, and to not draw attention to yourself. And so now, even though the lid is gone, you're still jumping within the old limits. If you consider yourself a high performer, it's even more important for you to acknowledge this, because you've already proven you can succeed by brute force. You've probably worked harder, pushed through resistance, and achieved more than most people around you. But if you're honest, you know you're not even close to your true potential. You can feel the untapped capacity inside you. Maybe your business is already doing well, but you know you're still playing smaller than you could. Maybe your lifestyle is comfortable, but it's not quite the dream you had in your head when you got started. Or maybe your relationships are fine, but they don't light you up the way you secretly want. And you can't fix this just by working harder. Because what's limiting you at this stage isn't lack of skill or opportunity. It's the frequency you're operating at. It's the unconscious permission slip you inherited from your family system about how much money you're allowed to have, about how much love, freedom, and joy you're allowed to experience before it becomes unsafe. Here's the good news. This code can be rewritten. You're not condemned to live out the limits of your ancestors. But you can't just hope it changes. You have to deliberately shift it. First, you become aware of the rules you've inherited. Think about what's the banana in your life you've been trained not to reach for. What's the invisible lid you've been told not to jump past? Then you step into the identity of someone who goes for it anyway, without fear of what people will think, without fear of failure, without needing to please anyone. And when you do, you wake up realizing you can take the biggest risk you've ever considered, and instead of feeling panic, you feel excitement. You chase your biggest goals without the guilt of leaving anyone behind. You create the relationship you actually want, not just the one you think you can get. You enjoy wealth and freedom without feeling like you have to prove you deserve it. That's what happens when you recode your inherited instructions and rewire your brain. Every banana is yours for the taking. Every lid is gone. You create the life you want, not the one your ancestors thought was safe. If you want to start seeing what this looks like in real life, join my free Superconscious Awakening community. It's where I share extra trainings, tools, and stories from people who are already breaking through their limits. The link for that is in my bio. And if you're done just learning about this and you want me to personally walk you through rewriting your old structure so that progress toward your dream life becomes the path of least resistance, click the first link in the description. Watch the short video that explains how we can work together to update your inherited code and unlock your full capacity. Then, if you feel like that's for you, feel free to book a call with me. Because getting from here to your next level isn't about more strategy or more hustle. It's about removing the brakes you didn't even know were on. And once they're gone, you won't just move forward. You'll go further than your old self-image could ever imagine.